My dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa akhir da'wakum. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. This is Muhammad Altaf with you. Now, I am going to teach you regarding the real al-Islami calendar. Listen carefully what I am saying. Real. What the people have been following, in which the name of the months are written as first month is Muharram, like that, and some of the months name is Shaban, Shawwal, Zulhijjah, Zulqa'dah, like that. This calendar is not Islamic calendar anymore. This is called Al-Mushrikina calendar. Okay, listen very carefully. The religion, I mean Islamic religion, our religion based on correct calendar. So we start Ya Rahman, Ya Rahman Rahim. Or Ya Ar-Rahman, and bracket, make sure wherever Allah is written, we have to read as Rahmano. In Allah is written, we have to read as Inna Rahmana. Wallahi is written, then we have to read as Rahmani. Wallahu is written, wherever we have to read as Rahmanu. Like that. In the beginning of Samalayate, 38 places in 38 Samalayate, in the beginning of Samalayate, it is written as Allahu. 38 places. So we have to read as Ar-Rahmanu. Like Surah As-Samad. Qul huwallahu ahadun, Allahu samad. This is written as it is. Then we have to convert it by formula وَإِنَّهُ بِسْمِ اللَّهِ الرَّحْمَنِ الرَّحِيمِ. So this means we have to read as قُلْ هُوَ الرَّحْمَنُ الرَّحِيمِ أَيْضًا, or قُلْ هُوَ الرَّحْمَنُ أَيْضًا الرَّحْمَنُ الصَّمَدُ لَمْ يَلِدْ وَلَمْ يُولَدْ وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. This is the proper reading of Samalayate, by which your identity will be known as complete man. Atina al-Kitaba. Those who call as it is Rabbil Alamin Allah, they are not Atina al-Kitaba. They come under the category of Utul Kitaba. This is complete word is U kitaba wal munina. Al kitaba means those who is speaking as it is. They have been reading several ayat of Al Quran, but they must be wal mu'minina means they should have to believe in Muhammadun and Muhammadin. This means the messenger who has been selected by Al-Rahman Rahim and will have been selecting by Al-Rahman Rahim. Double pesh means this, and double zer means plural. Double pesh means plural of Muhammad. This is people should understand. Surah An-Naml ayat number 30, it is written, when you Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, then we have to speak as Ya Rahmanirrahim. When we rubaru, directly we do the amal by or Rahmanirrahim, yani Ya Rahmanirrahim. In Suratun Bani Israel 110, it is written as Qulidullah Udur Rahmana. It means by speaking, then you have to speak Ar-Rahmanu. But when you write, then you must have to write Ar-Rahmani in bracket this. When you isolate from the Al-Quran. Okay? Like that. Or we speak directly to Mukhatib, directly Rabbul Alameen. Then we speak as Ya Rahman before starting each amal. Okay. So first we have to be a eligible person. Now I am going to teach you the Islamic calendar. What is Islamic calendar? How would you check or design yourself the Islamic calendar? Thumb rule of designing the Islamic calendar. Number one, actually our concern with Islamic calendar is that we must know when the Ramadana month will fall. Number two, Al-Hajja wal-Umrata. Because our amal we have to do in these months. Ramadana month is always the 9th month of Islamic calendar. Al-Hajja wal-Umrata month 3 months. That is 10th, 11th and 12th. Okay. Thumb rule. What are the thumb rule? There are 3 ways of thumb rule to check the Islamic calendar. Either you speak Islami or Al-Islami, because this is since before, uh, from the since the first book came on earth, from that time to as on dated. So, I mean, it is the same, no change. Okay, so that is why we can speak Islamic calendar or Al-Islam. Doesn't matter. But Al-Islam religion we have to speak. Before was the Islam religion. Now this is Al-Islam. Similarly, before the first book is known as Quran, and the second book, second and for last and final, this is known as Al Quran. Okay. Al means latest one. Al means latest one. Okay. Latest one of particular thing. In case of book, Al Quran, before the Quran, okay. Qawm, 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 and Al Qawm, Al Qawm. This new Qawm means man. It is considered a husband. Al Qawm means woman, wife. So, this means that man must be elder than woman for marriage. Okay, this means this. Allah, when Al is there means latest one. So that is younger one. Woman must be younger, and a wife must be younger than husband. Okay. Thumb rule. What is the thumb rule? Okay. First thumb rule is this. When we know the how to know the ninth month, that is Ramadan month, will come. How we know or how we decide. This is thumb rule. Thumb rule I am explaining. First, take the Gregorian calendar, which is shown all festival date. Okay. And Urdu calendar, which showing Gregorian and Gregorian date used all Indian festival dates. Okay, this is very. First of all, I will take Gregorian calendar and Urdu calendar with you. take a pen and your notebook. Okay, now we start the first thumb rule. First thumb rule. So, first thumb rule. Okay. Check the rate of Deepavali. Deepavali. Okay. Check that date Deepavali, that is Gregorian. Then see its corresponding date in Urdu calendar. Then you will see that there will be maximum 2 to 3 date plus minus 2 to 3 dates difference in receiving the 30th date of particular month. Okay. When you see that, suppose Deepavali is date is X Gregorian. Take formula plus minus 2 to 3 dates. This will be equal to the 30th date of 30th date of 8th month. 8th month. Okay, 30 date of 8th month. Then first date after that is known as 9th month. That is Ramadana month. Okay, very clear thumb rule. Okay, this thumb rule you can check 1000 years before Ramadan date. See 500 years or 300 years or 200 years or 50 years back date of Deepavali. Then see its corresponding date in Urdu calendar. That would be plus minus 2 to 3 dates to receive the 30th date of month. After that, first date of 9th month is there, so that is Ramadan month. Ramadan means a month in which Al-Quran sent down, the birth took place The birth of Al Quran, it is just like the birth of woman, birth like of girl child. Okay, this means this. Not this is. So the month in which a lady gives the birth to her child, whether a boy or girl, that will never go beyond the ninth month, beyond ninth month. Always the woman will deliver, woman delivers her child in ninth month maximum. It never goes beyond the ninth month. So that ninth month is known as Ramadan. Okay, thumb rule, understand? This is for Deepavali का हो गया. Second thumb rule. Second thumb rule. This is first thumb rule is going upward. Okay. Second thumb rule going downward. Okay. Check the holy festival date. Then go its corresponding Urdu date and 2 plus minus 2 to 3 dates, 2 to 3 dates, okay, to date and then minus 15 dates, okay, to receive the 12th month. Means last month of Al-Hajjah wal Umrata. Clear? So this formula is that X, now this is Y, okay? The date of festival Holi, Hindu festival Holi. This X is the Hindu festival Diwali. Y is the Hindu festival of Holi. Check its date and then plus minus 2 to 3 dates maximum. Okay. Minus 15 dates. Then you will receive the 30th date of 12th Islamic month. This is the second thumb rule, okay? First thumb rule is this. X is the Deepavali festival and here Y is the Holi festival. Clear? You can check in next 100 years. This will be the date of Ramadan, first Ramadan, or last date of 12 months. Then go 120 days. That is first month, first date of Ramadan, like that. 3 months of Al-Hajjah will over 12th, 11, and 10, and 9th month. So, like that. Very simple way, okay? Third thumb rule. What is third thumb rule? Third thumb rule is third thumb rule. Thumb rule. See the Gregorian calendar and check the Shivratri festival. Then go this date corresponding to Urdu date. Now you reach to the corresponding date of Urdu, then leave this Gregorian date, okay? Urdu date, okay? Then do plus minus 2 to 3 dates, okay? No, sorry. 2 to, no, I am sorry, this is wrong. Third thumb rule is this. Check the date of Hindu festival of Shivratri. Then find its corresponding date of Urdu in Urdu calendar. So YZ. Z is the festival of Shivratri. Okay. This festival always fall in 12th month of Islamic calendar. Always. When you find the Shivratri date and see this corresponding date, then 12th month is there. So check the date, how many days to come to receive that 30 date, I mean the last date of the 12th month. After that, not Hajjah wal Umrah is allowed. Only this 4 month has been designed for Hajjah wal Umrah. Sorry, 3 months, 10th, 11th and 12th. 9th in the Ramadan. So, 8 months of summer plus 4 months of winter is equal to 12th month months of Islamic calendar in one span. Okay, let's make sure. This is the first one, this is the 12th month, here is the 8th month. So this is summer, this is summer, and this 4 months is winter. This fall in one span, okay, one span. That is called Ramadan. Always fall in the winter, then after Ramadan 3 months more winter months, 10th, 11th and 12th. So this is a thumb rule of designing the Islamic calendar. Rain is the common. Rain can be in the summer and sometime in winters also happens, which is, so like that. And this calendar, the climate is summer and winter. This is based on the climate of all desert land of the world. Our desert land, it is so interconnected with one another. Whether it is in India or Pakistan or Middle East or Egypt or Palestine or Lebanon or Syria or Yemen or Iraq or Iran, whatever, this is Bahrain. Bahrain comes in the Middle East. This is all interconnected. Anywhere one can execute the Al-Hajjah wal Umrah wherever the desert land is there. For Rabbil Alameen has been designed the celebration of Al-Hajjah wal Umrah in such a manner that the person can execute easily in the less money. Suppose people from Bangladesh, they can come India and perform the Hajj, Al-Hajjah, rather than going to the Saudi Arabia. Similarly, Nepalese and Sri Lankan, Indian also is for Indian. This is in the same country. No need to go other country. Desert in India available. Similarly for Pakistani, they have the desert. No need to go other desert land. Okay, there is no any particular land which has been designed for Jabal Umrah. No. Entire desert land of the world has been designed to perform Al-Hajjah wal Umrah, which is nearest to their home residence. Okay? Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. Akhir da'wakum. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. So, do not follow the Al-Mushrikina calendar, which is naming as the month's name is Muharram, Shawwal, Zilhijjah, Zulqa'dah, like that. That is Al-Mushrikina calendar. It is always, this is no, logic actually. Islamic calendar logic is 8 months winter and 4 months, 8 months summer plus 4 months winter comes in one span. That is always, always, always. Since the first book came on earth, and this will have been till the last day of the earth. Same. Okay? There is a logic and proper as per Al Quran, Islamic calendar. Okay? People who have brain, they can understand easily. They don't want to understand. This is not, for them. They don't want to use their brain. Okay? Clear? When you see Surah At-Tawbah, it is clearly written in Sabalayat number 36. There are the counting of months are 12, in which 4 are the hormone months. 4 hormone means this hormone, winter month. First month Ramadan, 9th month, and 3rd month Ramadan. This hormone means in which if they are following the amal, meeting with the general wife has not been allowed during this amal. This means this, hormone means has been and will have been not allowed. General wife is that who is the marry the woman out of blood relation absolutely and virgin. Okay, clear? Blood relation, out of blood relation. Okay, that is general wife. Okay. So, Rabbul Alamin, that is why giving the options besides general wife, they can meet with the sponsored wife during these months. That is second cousin, sister, to whom he married with she was widow. Okay. Make sure marriage is one with that woman who must be virgin before marriage and absolutely out of blood relation to whom husband can make her pregnant. Besides this particular, with no other woman husband can pregnant. No. Very important thing, we make sure. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. That is why general wife, निसाई, इसमें दोनों in निसाई there are two types of निसाई. One is general wife and another is attached wife. Attached wife means that the widow lady he married, she is absolutely out of blood relation. Nisai word belong to absolutely out of blood relation. Azwaja is the second cousin. Okay. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. Thanks. Take the spelling of Muhammad. Keep writing in your official paper spelling of Muhammad like this. Muhammad, not Mohammed. No. MUH मु, पेश है तो यू, ए की बस जबर है तो ए आ गया। एम एम मतलब तशदीद डबल एम और फिर जबर ए डी जजम मोहम्मद। एम ओ तो है ही नहीं ना। नो इन अल कुरानो नो एनीथिंग लाइक एनी एम ओ or LO or CO or FO. No. This is O. AW. Like that. Thank you very much. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.